My name is Yves Preisler. I'm the managing partner of the Casa Malindi, formerly Labour Point. We are a high-end luxury resort, 5-star, consisting of 4 villas and 15 rooms, all with private pool, the Mavimbi restaurant, and amazing gardens and beachfront. And we're looking forward to a busy 2024, as we have done and will be doing extensive renovations within the resort and further upgrade experience in order to become the luxury destination of Malindi. This place is unique because it's located in lush gardens. It's very private, it's very upscale. You have a wonderful view of the sea, and in the afternoon when the tide is coming in on the morning, you have a unique nature spectacle. You can see the turtles coming up and diving. It's also a turtle nesting site.
Important, I think, for this place is to be different and unique in their own way. I think it matters a lot to embrace the natural beauty of Kenyan coast, to not try to change it, to make it different. But you know, this is natural beauty which can be just underlined with a little bit of framing, and it's like this brilliant which need to be a little bit polished. In my opinion, the Kenyan coast is something what can really beat the top famous destinations of the worldwide.
My name is Giuseppe Bonasera, and today we are here in Bravo Watamu. This club Alpi Tour group. We have to consider also that we want to thank officially the government to all the things that they have done for us. Actually, as far as I know, we know that in the next future also the asphalt road that will reach this area. Actually, it's just 1 kilometer from here. And when this job is going to be complete, it will be completely another.
Made investments and will make investments into Malindi. We are happy how Watamu is doing and how it's developing, and we do believe that Malindi can compete with Watamu, and we came here to compete. We have a wonderful town of Malindi, we have a lot of talent here.